So now I'm going to show you really quickly how to make a video from a template on Canva. So over there we just clicked on the video button and we're going to pick a vertical video right here. We're going to come over and search to find a template that's going to kind of match our style. I'm going to start with pizza, but these aren't really recipe-ish, so I'm just going to go to recipe and find something over here that is free, since we're on the free version of Canva right now. So we'll take this one here. There are 6 pages. I'm going to apply all 6 pages. I think I have 7 videos, so I'm just going to kind of throw these in at random. We're not going to make anything too fine-tuned right now. And I'm just going to drag these videos in one by one, just putting it right over that. So there's 2. We'll put 3 more in. Just trying to remember what I've used and haven't used yet and what the correct order is. It doesn't really matter too much. So we'll put this one, and then we'll put the final pizza product again at the end. So I dropped that in and it made my timeline pretty big. So I am going to come over here and just shorten the timeline to make it a little bit easier to work with. To do that, I'm going to hit Control, scroll my wheel down a little bit, and that's going to resize that for me so I can get this last little video in here. I'm going to go to the front of the video, first page over here, and I can just start making some changes to the text in here to kind of match it up to my video that I'm trying to make. And I'm just going to make one quick change to this, and then I'm going to go ahead and play it so you can kind of hear how everything goes with the music and the reel all together. Generally, we'd go through and finish editing the entire video, but here is a quick listen to this video.